Join us as we journey to the moon Miranda, one of Uranus's most intriguing satellites. Here, we discover a landscape dotted with cryovolcanoes, erupting icy plumes that form unique geological formations unlike anywhere else in the solar system. Uranus is surrounded by a system of thin, dark rings that defy scientific explanation. These mysterious rings are home to a diverse array of tiny moonlets and rocky debris, creating a captivating celestial spectacle that has puzzled astronomers for centuries. Meet the elusive ice giants of Uranus, massive blue-hued creatures that roam the frozen landscapes of this distant planet. These majestic beings are shrouded in mystery, their movements and motivations veiled in secrecy, leaving researchers baffled and intrigued by their enigmatic behaviors.